Hello everyone, I am Chirag and I will be briefing about the campaign Mission Jagriti and Respect She. So the motive of these campaign is to educate girls and boys on gender-based violence and personal safety and to work towards raising every boy in India to be gender equitable. Talking about the Praveen Lata Sansthan, the organization has conducted several workshops in and around the villages to spread awareness and to educate boys and men about this. They work toward raising every boy in India to be gender equitable, develop and implement behavior change program, campaign to promote gender equality and a collaborative approach to fight against gender-based violence. Talking about the stats, the organization has helped around 2500 plus men's roadshow and online. So let's talk about Mission Jagriti. Capacity building programs for adolescent girls and women on prevention methods of gender-based violence, childline and personal safety focus to make them aware about how to protect themselves from all forms of abuse, negligence and exploitations and make them aware about their rights through self-defense workshops, roadshows, Nukkad Natak activities and association to create awareness on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. Talking about the stats of Mission Jagriti, 56 activities organized to reach and create awareness among more than 1,40,000 people, and 150 child abuse cases are also resolved.
Hello everyone, I am Shantini Biswas and I am pursuing BTech from UPS Dehradun and currently working as an intern at Praveen Lata Sansthan during my summer internship. So I'll be briefing about the campaign Spotless Day. Starting with the motive behind this campaign. So the main motive behind this campaign is to educate girls about menstrual hygiene and spread awareness about this, and to maintain and practice safe and clean hygiene during periods, and most importantly to break the taboo between girls and women and let them freely talk about the importance of hygiene and the health related issues girls face during the menstruation. Talking about the role of Praveen Lata Sansthan, the organization has conducted several workshops in and around the villages to spread awareness and educate girls and women about this. There is still lakhs of women, even at this generation, who are thinking menstruation as an impure blood. The organization has tried their level best to educate them about menstruation and make them aware about the importance of menstruation in girls for their good health. The organization has helped by innovating an environment friendly and easily accessible, reusable, and sustainable sanitary pads for girls and women across India, providing livelihood opportunity. Secondly, free medical and health check camps were organized across Rajasthan and free medications were provided as per doctor's advice. Also, support were given to the girls on prescribed treatment. Now, talking about the stats, in the year 2020 and 2021, the organization has helped around 10,625 girls by training them on the menstrual hygiene, and also they have distributed around 20,450 reusable pads and also 25,000 disposable pads.
Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Singh and today I'm going to tell you about the steps and measures taken by Praveen Lata Sansthan to support girl child education in India. So, even after 74 years of independence, we are still experiencing a massive poverty, which comprises of many factors. And out of those factors, one factor is the lack in girl child education, and this condition has the larger share in the poverty. So to counter this problem, Praveen Lata Sansthan has launched a campaign called Ladli. So let me tell you about this campaign point by point. So point number one, remedial education program is run for underprivileged girls to help them bridge the gap and enroll back into school by bringing their educational learning level as per their age or grade, imparting basic literacy including creative learning. Point number 2, create awareness on intervention taken by state and central government. Support system to government schools for behavioral change of parents and children's and increase in retention. Point number 4, educational infrastructure support to government schools through items like tuition fees, books, stationery, school bags, uniforms, shoes, and cash rewards under this scholarship program to meritorious underprivileged students. Point number 5, indoor and outdoor recreational activities for children's. Children's Point number 6, children's library featuring online library access as well as offline reading with storybooks, motivational books, and educational books, etc. So here we have stats which shows that we have helped over 13,000 children who are underprivileged since 2013. We can also see that a massive dip has been arised in 2021 due to COVID norms. We have another graphical representation which shows that Ladli Center has has enrolled many underprivileged students for their overall development. Thank you.
A heartiest hello to one and all present here today. Ashwitanshu from UPS Computer Science Batch 22 is here to speak on one of the greatest campaign by Praveen Lata Sansthan named Titli. As the campaign name Titli speaks for itself quite loudly, the campaign helps in providing the beautiful colors to the wings of our young butterflies. These butterflies are the women of a society, and the wings they are provided are in the form of handicraft skills. The campaign does not only focuses in providing or making skilled women in handicraft, but also helps to motivate them and uplift their personality. The campaign has allowed the woman and the society to break the stereotype that it had, that a household woman is only and only made to stay at home and do the household work. But due to this campaign, lot of women have also gauged a lot of skills, and which is really helping them a lot. Due to this, around 15 entrepreneurs have been made by Praveen Lata Sansthan due to this campaign, and I'm really obliged to be a part of it. Talking about the role of Praveen Lata Sansthan, the organization plays a major role in uplifting the women in the society by conducting several workshops to help them grow both maturity-wise and mentally. In a society where people have a thinking that all women are only made to be at home and were not allowed to go out to earn, but now the society is evolving. In country where the women were not provided even with the basic respect are now in the same country there are women who are ruling, such as Pratibha Patil, one of the first female presidents that our country had. Female laborers forced to participate in India declined from 34% in 2006 to 24.8% in 2020, which means the country is evolving through all this. And Praveen Lata Sansthan's Titli campaign comes up playing a very important role. So come, let's join our hands and put ourselves a little bit to make our country grow. Because if a man grows, a generation is grown. But whereas a woman grows, generations are grown. Thank you.